Wondering what this baby is? Look at this baby. Pretty cool, isn't it? It almost looks like a Barbie doll house, but nope, it's not. It is new bird feeder. I found this today and I fell in love. And the way that you put the bird seed in, look, it's got a little door. Or I'm sorry, that was called a window, not a door. Here is the door. Super cute. They don't open, thank goodness, because then the bird feed would come out. But this cute little chimney comes off. And that's where you put the bird feed. Super adorable. I just thought I would show you this.